What is going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and what we're going to do is a quick box tour. There's not much to this box, as you see, but down here there was a bunch of IMEI and serial numbers on there, but let's go ahead and jump into it. So taking the lid off of the box, inside, tucked in the lid, there is a smaller box, and this box contains the SIM ejection tool, as well as the warranty and quick start guides. But also, it also includes a clear jelly case, which is pretty cool. So for the price that you pay, they include a case. You cannot complain about that. So let's go ahead and take a look at what else we get inside of the box. And the first thing I pull out is a super fast charge 25-watt charging brick. They also include a black Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And you also get wired earbuds, which is pretty cool. And check this out. What? You got that right.
Tell me what you want.
Headphone, I want the jack back. Headphone jack, I want the jack back. Headphone, I want the jack back. Headphone jack, I want the jack back. Headphone, I want the jack back. Headphone jack. I'll tell you what I want from it. The number one thing on my list. They took it away and I was pissed. Like Ray J if I had one wish. Well, kind of. My song kind of worked, but probably not. The headphone jacks were left on the mid-rangers and budget devices, not on the flagships. This is everything that is included in the box. Take a look. But now let's go ahead and look at this device. Quad camera setup. It's a pretty nice looking device. I guess this is it's not glass on the back, so there is no wireless charging on this thing. But take a look at the A71 next to the Note 10 Plus. That's still my favorite, the best looking device, I'm gonna say. It's so beautiful. But let's go ahead and look at the device itself. On the left side, there's actually a SIM tray, of course, but this has a dual SIM, so you can also use two SIMs and use a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. So that is pretty cool. I forgot to mention, this is the crushed black color. On Amazon they just say black, but look at that. There's the headphone jack, Type-C charging, and the single speaker. And on the right side you have the up and down volume rocker, and then right underneath that you have the power button. Now what I want to do is bring to your attention the camera hump on the back. So without a case, I could pretty much guarantee this is going to rock. So let me go ahead and test that out for you. So let's just say you're typing on the table. You see I got a little bit of rocking going on there, so just use a case. So here is the selfie camera. That's a 32 megapixel camera. I'm going to go ahead and power this on and go through the whole setup. I'm going to do this off camera so we can go ahead and get into the face unlock and stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and use my Note 10 to bring all my information, apps, pictures, text, and all that, and I'll be right back with you. I have now reached the point to face recognition setup. So you know me, I use the pen. So put my 4-digit pin in and I'll go ahead and start the process. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this one is not secure really at all, because look how quickly I did that. So it's all good. Now we're all done. So the setup is done, and boy oh boy, look at the screen. I mean, the colors look really good. This screen looks really sharp. So for the price, again, $450, this is a really nice looking screen to view content and everything. So face unlock, let's try this out real quick, and I'm gonna have to line it up. Let me try this again. I'm gonna try to do it in the camera, but as you see, let's see, boom. So it's not that quick, but again, I am kind of behind the camera. Now let's go ahead and put the case on so we can cut down on the amount of fingerprints on this thing. And quick install, very easy to do. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go ahead and do the fingerprint. Look at that. Now it's not the fastest. Here's the Mate 30 Pro on the left, and as you see, that thing just opens up just so quickly. But again, it looks like maybe if I turn the animations off as well, Now this phone does have the Snapdragon 730, I believe, and it is snappy. And let's go ahead and scroll through YouTube so you can kind of see. Look how quickly everything just scrolls through. So you're not going to really be upset with the smoothness of this. Next up, audio and video test. Is my Bluetooth Surface mouse. Some people are used to that. And then if you'd like neither, you can always go for the trackpad on the laptop. This is pretty big, but this is still basic and I want something a little more fun. So let's go. Now, where did I pick this up? Amazon, of course. I got it for $11.89. And what I'm showing you right now are the different colors of the mouse that you can get. So I ended up getting the black one, but on the website, they're kind of showing you how to go ahead and insert the batteries and also how to use the device. Taking the mouse out, it's very light. Kind of looks like my car, I'd say, and kind of like a Range Rover. But taking a look at the mouse, the single bottom firing speaker gets really loud, so you will not be disappointed with that. I was pretty amazed at how loud it actually got. The next thing that I want to show you is a few pictures that I've taken as well as a video. Check this out. For the last topic of this video, I want to discuss gaming. Now, there are people that like to game on their devices, and I'm here to tell you that you can absolutely, positively game on this device without any struggles, without any lag, without any stuttering, and the device does not heat up. I've played a couple rounds of Call of Duty Mobile, and I've had smooth gameplay. So there is no type of lag. As you see, I'm going around doing what I have to do, and I have not experienced any lag in this game. And so what I would tell people is to have no worries, rest assured, put your mind at ease. This is a great device for the money. Would you look at that? I got the final kill. Go me. This about wraps it up for the Samsung Galaxy A71. I think this is a great buy. This is a nice mid-range device, And for those of y'all who don't want to spend the money on this Samsung Galaxy S20 line, you know what? Totally get this device. Thanks for watching, and I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.